The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, northern Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana, southern Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, northeastern Posey County in southwestern Indiana, until 9 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Poseville, or 14 miles southeast of Albion, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Owensville, Porceville, and Cynthiana around 8:40 p.m. Fort Branch and Hobstadt around 8:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Griffin, Mackay, Elberfeld, and Somerville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 18 and 31. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 2 and 38. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
For up-to-the-minute watches